In the year of 2025, the Pixel 8 Pro gives you more for your money than the Pixel 9 Pro. Now, ever since the excitement around the Pixel 9 Pro's release has kind of died down, as of January 24th, 2025, we can now thoroughly compare these two phones. And after using both the 9 Pro and 8 Pro extensively, I can now properly evaluate their strengths, weaknesses, and overall value proposition. Now, while new phone releases often promise significant improvements over their predecessors, the difference between the Pixel 9 and 8 Pro are very minimal. The similarities in display quality, camera capabilities, software features, battery performance, and hardware specs are pretty striking. The Pixel 8 Pro has received the same AI features through updates, delivering virtually identical functionality in day-to-day use. And the most compelling argument for the 8 Pro is its lower price point. It offers a significantly premium Pixel experience at roughly half the cost. So in this video, let's examine the key aspects of the Pixel 8 Pro, from its battery performance, recent feature additions, and long-term reliability. And if you do find this review helpful, please support the channel by liking and subscribing, and let me know what other phone that you would like me to review next. Now, after over a year with the Pixel 8 Pro, it's important to note that while the experience has mostly been positive, there have been some challenges that explain its price reduction and slight advantages of the Pixel 9 Pro. The fingerprint sensor's performance is inconsistent, and while it usually works well, it can be unreliable with wet fingers, certain angles, or when using hand lotion, and during urgent moments, this inconsistency becomes really frustrating. Facial recognition shares similar limitations, struggling in low light conditions and with certain face angles, making both biometric authentication methods somewhat unreliable. Screen durability has been a persistent issue with Pixel phones, and the 8 Pro continues this trend. Even with careful handling, my most visible scratches appear within weeks of use. These scratches are particularly visible with the always-on display, and they are less noticeable during regular use, and it often results from routine activities like putting the phone in my pocket or minor drops. And while the Pixel 9 Pro shows improvement in this area, earlier Pixels, including the Pixel 8, 7, and 6 Pro, have been susceptible to scratching. And while the current battery life is pretty good, it's likely to diminish as software updates increase power demands, and the 30-watt charging feels notably slower compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. A full charge from 0% takes approximately 2 hours, which can be pretty inconvenient during morning routines. My 8 Pro can also heat up during charging, which makes it pretty uncomfortable. There's also refresh rate inconsistency in certain apps, particularly in less popular ones like Notion. The social media integration could also be better. The in-camera apps for Instagram and TikTok perform very poorly. The emoji rendering and general app optimization issues affect the user experience. But despite these drawbacks, the positive aspects of the Pixel 8 Pro outweigh its limitations. Especially considering its reduced price point, the value is perhaps its strongest feature. As of January 24th, 2025, the Pixel 8 Pro is available for around $650, with refurbished models ranging from $300 to $500, and at these prices, the minor issues become more acceptable. The phone's design is a standout feature, with its rounded frame provided with excellent hand feel, and it's very superior to both the slimmer Pixel 7 Pro and the boxier 9 Pro. The flat display eliminates accidental touches common with curved screens, offering an ideal balance of design and functionality compared to other Pixel models. And perhaps most importantly, the 8 Pro delivers everything essential in a Pixel phone. Matching the 9 Pro's performance in daily use, it handles all tasks smoothly, from gaming to everyday functions, with the same pixel responsiveness. The camera quality remains excellent, and it includes the latest AI features like Google Gemini for email and general assistance. Battery life remains strong for daily use, and while I have reduced my gaming, it easily handles regular tasks like social media, script writing, research, and communication. With primary Wi-Fi usage, the battery typically ends the day at 30%. The adaptive battery technology has effectively optimized power consumption over time. The display continues to impress with its responsive 120Hz refresh rate and bright output, comparing favorably even against the 9 Pro. And while colors aren't overly vibrant, they offer a realistic experience. The 1440p resolution provides sharpness, and the minimal bezels maximize screen space. Performance remains strong for daily tasks. Though not the most powerful device available, it handles everything smoothly with quick app launches and fluid interface navigation. The camera system is very identical to the Pixel 9 Pro. It features a 50 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. The 8 Pro retains most AI features from the 9 Pro, including the Magic Editor, portrait effects, and various filters, and the 8 Pro excels at photography, particularly in skin tone accuracy and portrait effects. The image quality differences between the 8 Pro and 9 Pro are minimal. Photo quality is consistently high across both devices, with only subtle differences in low light performance and dynamic range. The 8 Pro also tends towards warmer tones, but these differences aren't that noticeable to most users. So after over a year of using the Pixel 8 Pro, it emerges as the more practical choice for cost-conscious buyers. And while the Pixel 9 Pro offers slight improvements in biometrics and durability, to me, these don't justify the price difference. The 8 Pro matches its core functionality, app performance, photography, and AI capabilities. At $650 new or even less refurbished, the Pixel 8 Pro offers exceptional value with its premium features, capable cameras, smooth performance, and reliable battery life. So unless you specifically need the minor upgrades of the 9 Pro, the Pixel 8 Pro is simply the smarter choice for most users. Peace.